Pogo. Oh, it's less pogo-y now.
Pogo Master Race.
Yep. Oh, Obama Snow. Oh man, I'm loving the Spirit Track stage. X-Bomb, X-Bomb, X-Bomb. Fuck.
What happened?
X-Bomb from Kid. Fuck, he got the lightning bolt.
What's that?
It's like the lightning bolt from
No, I meant the other.
Oh, the boomerang?
The other train right there.
Oh, that's a Phantom train. Did I? Man, this is. Oh, okay. Oh no, I'm fine.
Oh no, you're good. Kiddo.
Oh yeah, I got Yoshi. I'm hoping a Smash Ball appears so I can see what if Toon Link has a new Final Smash. Oh.
Oh, what'll happen? Who'll get it? Oh.
Oh yeah, Triforce Slash. It's not new.
Kaboom.
I just got a double KO.
You did. That's what normally happens when you hit people with the Final Smash. They die.
Oh shoot, oh shoot.
Have you died yet, Tyler?
I don't think I have.
I don't think you have either. Which means that you're pretty. It looks like you're going to win. Like pretty. I'm feeling it.
Okay, Greninja. Oh, it was fun. Did I win?
Well, yeah, I would hope so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I would sure hope so.